What? Do people bother to watch the videos, these answer videos? Yeah? And it's useful? Yeah. Oh, that reminds me, the timetable's a little bit different for Tuesday next week, which is when we were going to do the practice exam. Is there still a double class time to do the practice exam next week, or is this now a problem? Yeah, because you had extra maths on Wednesday, or triple hour of fun. This might change my plans a little bit. I might have to give you the practice exam to do it over the weekend if there's no time next week to do it in a double slot. Maybe. I'll have to look at the timetable. Yeah, but the problem is I need a 2-hour block. And I'll do the answers in class. This is always the plan. Yeah. Final week, yeah. I have to think about this. I'll have an answer by our second class today. Yeah. I'll think about this. I'll think about it. So would I. So I want to see if I can do this. Maybe I can swap an hour with somebody, I don't know. Because the other thing is you don't have EAP next week. So maybe if there was a time when you had a maths class and then an EAP class afterwards. Which is cancelled now? Okay, maybe I can do it then, that time.
Yeah, the one who has the exam.
Bad luck for them, yes. Yeah. Okay. So we want to find when y equals 2 here. That's the first part. So we just make y equal 2 and solve for x. 4x squared minus 6x plus 4 plus 8x minus 12 plus 8 equals 0. 4x squared plus 2x. Oh, nice. Simplifies to this. I can even cancel by 2. Happy days. So now I have x times 2x plus 1 equals 0. So what are my two answers for x? 0 and minus 1 over 2. And y is 2 in both cases. The first step? I just made y equal 2. They say that in the question. That's all. Yeah, next is the derivative. So it's implicit derivative. So that would be, let's see, 8x minus 3, and then xy would be 1y plus x dy dx plus 2y dy dx plus 8 minus 6 dy dx equals 0. So this would be 8x minus 3y minus 3x dy dx plus 2y dy dx plus 8 minus 6 dy dx equals 0. So I get dy dx will equal 3y, put them in the right order, minus 8x plus 3y minus 8 all over minus 3x plus 2y minus 6. And now we plug in our two answers. So my first, I'll call this answer A, and I'll call this one here B. Okay, so what was the point for A? 0, 2, was it? Okay, so if I put in 0, 2, 0, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, so I got 1. Now what's my second point B?
1, 0 and 2
No. Minus a half and 2. So that would be Hold on. 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 8 is 2. And then minus 1.5 plus 4, 5.5, minus 6 is minus a half, I sure hope. So it's minus 4. So these are my two gradients. I mean, I don't have a calculator, but you have a calculator, so this should be very easy for you. And then the last part is find the equation of the two lines and find where they meet. So for the first one, it will be y equals m, which is 1, x plus c. And then for the second line, it's y equals m, x plus c. How do we find the c? With a point. So this will be 2 equals c, and this one here will be 2 equal to 2 plus c. So here's c equals 0, c equals 2, y equals x plus 2, y equals minus 4x. No, that is wrong. Minus a half, that would be minus a half times minus 4 is 2. Oh no, that is right. Okay. Now, how do I find where they meet?
Minus 4.
Make them equal. So that means you have 5x equals 2. So then x equals 2 over 5. And we need to find the y. Well, if I just put that back in here, yeah, this will be minus 8 over 5. So they meet at 2 over 5 and minus 8 over 5.
So we find the difference for us and then
Find the tangent and then make the tangents equal. What's wrong? Did I make a mistake? Oh.
Minus 5.
It does indeed, thank you. 5x equals minus 2, so then this is minus 2 over 5, which makes this one a plus, which makes this one a minus, which makes this one a plus. Thank you, Mohammed. Don't even think that took me 5 minutes. I don't know if we can do another one in 3 minutes.
Yeah, we can. Just break the number.
What have we left to do in this paper? We have to do 2, 3 and 5. And we have 1 class later today. That's great. So we might get those 3 finished today. Yeah?
Can we do A8? Like it's one thing.
A8? As you wish.